The Gemini Taurus 3 diamond ring saw is a sophisticated tool designed for advanced shape cutting. With dimensions of 17 3/4 by 16 inch for the work surface, a throat depth of 5 5/8 inch, and a throat height of 1 1/2 inch, this saw offers ample space for various cutting tasks. Its 1/5 of a horsepower motor delivers reliable performance, operating at 110 or 220 volts with a capacity of 1.3 to 1.7 amps. Notably, it boasts quieter operation and longer-lasting parts, enhancing user experience and durability. One standout feature is its versatility. The saw can function as a hand saw simply by detaching the saw portion from the unit, providing flexibility in use. It comes equipped with a standard ring blade, installed, an integrated spotlight for improved visibility, a removable face shield for safety, and a stabilizer foot for added stability during operation. The Taurus 3 ring saw is adept at cutting various materials, including tile, gold, which can be refined out of the water bath, silver, brass, bronze, aluminum, and stainless steel. Its capabilities extend beyond conventional cutting tools, making it a valuable asset for artisans and craftsmen seeking to explore new shapes and designs. Operating the Taurus 3 requires some adjustment, particularly for those accustomed to using band saws. Unlike traditional saws, the ring saw's operation involves rotating the material around the blade rather than a straight vertical pull. However, with practice, users can master this technique and unlock the saw's full potential. Weighing in at under 10 pounds and measuring barely 18 inch wide, the Taurus 3 is compact and portable, fitting neatly on countertops or workstations. Its ergonomic design enhances user comfort and convenience during extended use. Additionally, the exemplary customer service provided by representatives like Barbara ensures a positive experience for users. Clear instructions for setup and operation, such as filling the water tub to the appropriate level and adjusting the blade stabilizer, contribute to a smooth setup process. In summary, the Gemini Taurus 3 diamond ring saw offers unparalleled cutting precision and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for artisans and craftsmen. With its advanced features, ease of use, and exceptional customer support, it empowers users to unleash their creativity and bring their visions to life.